Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on my 2025 Telluride. I love this car here. It's a great daily driver, long distance commuter, but one thing that I hate is it has wired CarPlay, and today I'm going to try this device out and see if we can get wireless CarPlay to work in it. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so this is supposed to be a pretty easy install. It's plug and play. You typically plug your phone into the USB and have a cable running around here, which kind of stinks. It always ends up in the way somewhere. And it does have the wireless charger, which allows you to also use your phone as a key to start the car, which is great. But for some reason, Kia on this model, and it was the last year, in 2026, they did add the wireless CarPlay, but I'm not going to trade this brand new vehicle in just to get that feature. So here we go. Should be super easy. I'm just guessing that we're plugging this in and we're going to connect to it. So the box that it came in, underneath we've got a little instruction manual, and it does look like yep, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so it should be pretty easy to set up. iPhone 6 and later, that doesn't surprise me. It does come with a USB-C adapter as well. The other thing that's annoying about the Kia is that this USB-C is only for charging. It's not a data cable. So that kind of stinks too. So let's plug this in. Oh, it's actually wanting my digital key for some reason. We have this wireless CarPlay connected. We started the car. And just for the record, I am not seeing it in the list of devices here. So let's turn off Bluetooth. Let's turn it back on. Smart dongle is now showing the 4.4. Okay, so now we had to turn Bluetooth on and off again. Let's pair. Let's allow. And then we're going to connect. Let's click continue here. And we now have CarPlay. So I'm wondering if I shut the car off, open the door, is this now going to remember it? It sure did. And this is definitely pretty slick. It's using, what I also like is it's using the whole screen. It's using the extended mode for CarPlay. And this didn't work when it was tethered. I was just trying to load up Audible, but that's not loading. So there you have it. It was pretty simple. So I will say that I had to toggle the Bluetooth off and on again, and then the rest of the setup was super easy. But now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, should that just be hanging around like that, or should we try to secure it somehow? But the cable that they give you isn't long enough for it. That's interesting. I was thinking maybe to put it down with some double-sided sticky tape. But this USB cable is very short. So we'll figure that out, some place for that to live. The other thing that I'm wondering is, will it automatically shut off, or is this going to be a battery drain on the car? We have to plug this in and unplug it every time. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking with me for a few minutes. I went ahead and locked all the doors and walked away from it. It took approximately between 5 and 8 minutes for the Jemluse, that's the brand this is. And I'll put the link in the description below. This is one of those things where I always just wait for it to inevitably be on sale, and then you can grab it. But again, this worked perfectly fine. This is the Jemluse relaxing driving. Streamline your driving. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. But it is a wireless CarPlay adapter. It works perfectly fine. It does support the full screen CarPlay, which is amazing. So you don't have the 1/3 off to the side with the compass or the time. It uses the full screen. This is a win for short money for me, because I genuinely hated having the cords around in the car. It always seemed like it was getting in the way. It was just annoying. It should be wireless. Now I have it, so that's half the battle. The other part is I really wish that the USB cable on this was an inch longer. That's it, just 1 inch, and it would be able to lie flat. As it is, it kind of just hangs there, so I'm gonna have to figure something out for that. That's just a minor annoyance, and I'm sure that in other cars it won't matter at all. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate the fact that the channel is growing already. I can't believe that in the first month we already have, we're over 15 subscribers. We're climbing towards the 20 range, and we already hit our first 1,000 views, which is cool. That's awesome. Thanks for stopping in, and I will see you guys on the next one.